Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is x square by 50 equals 50 by x square. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose we will solve this as by taking the cross multiplication of this. So we will cross multiply both sides. So x square is multiplied by x square and 50 is multiplied by 50. So we get x square multiplied square means x square and 50 can be written as 50 square. Now in the next step we will do this as x square minus 50 square equals 0. Now we will apply the formula here, a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. So we will apply this formula here. So it will become x square minus 50 into x square plus 50, that equals 0. Now there are two factors, x square minus 50 equals 0 or x square plus 50 equals 0. Then there are two situations, two cases. First is x square minus 50 equals 0, which implies that x square equals 50. Now we will take the square root on both sides. Then we get x equals plus minus square root 50. Now by taking the LCM of 50, it will become 2 multiply 5 square plus minus 2 multiply 5 square. Now we will split this, plus minus square root 2 f5 square. So this square is cancelled out by this square root. So we have x equal plus minus 5 square root 2. This is the first one. Now we will solve for the other. We will write the solution here, that x equal plus minus 5 square root 2. Now we will solve this for the other one, that is x square plus 50 equals 0, which means that x square equals minus 50. Now again taking the square root on both sides, we get x equal plus minus square root minus 50. So we will solve this as 2 multiply 5 square multiply minus 1, and we know that square root of minus 1 equals iota, because iota square equal minus 1, and then we take square root, it means iota equals square root of minus 1. So we will split this. Two multiply 5 square multiply square root minus 1. This square is cancelled out. We have 5 square root 2 iota. This is the value of x. We will write square root 2 iota. Now we will write the final answer, that x equals plus minus 5 square root 2 and x equals plus minus 5 square root 2 iota. We can also write this in the four forms, x equal plus 5 square root 2 minus 5 square root 2 plus 5 square root 2 iota or minus 5 square root 2 iota. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.